We got it. Real slow. Let's go, Dink. Let's go, Dink. Wiggle, Dink. Top left, coming down. Hold. Yeah, let's go. Oh, that's a flag.
Hey, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Tyler.
Send it down. Send it.
Give it to Jake. Let's go, Jake. Oh.
Well, that would be cool.
I want it. Good fucking ground ball, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I was like, you can't do that.
Can we just stay on our side so we don't have to walk all the way down there?
Can we play over to that?
Yeah, go figure.
I didn't tie. It's like fucking soccer, dude. Well, it's also fucking.
Are we switching? Hey, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go all day. Find that matchup. We're staying? I was gonna say, okay. All right, still, yeah.
Don't tell me I don't know a pregnant gnat when I see one.
What do you say, Dink?
With him on the face, I'd rather have a dive chance than a
Get that GB, Benson. Hey, do we want a Sterling point? Who wants it? Who wants it? Flat break.
Come on, Dennis!
Timeout! 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 Fuck it. Set up. Let's go. There you go, Dink. I'm sorry. Hey, I trust you. Yeah, might as well get our unit out.
Yeah.
Dink, you know I trust you. I did. I'm sorry.
I was expected to go all the way. I believed.
I'm sorry, Dink.
I don't doubt you.
Shit.
That's the right call.
I mean, yeah.
That's the right call.
Statistically, yes. But I mean, you know, I trust Ari. Hell yeah.
Holes on the offensive side.
Yeah, exactly. And the stick that Tyler's using sucks, like, real bad.
Let's go, Denver!
Holy shit, he got it up. Hey, show me something, Benson. Let's go, baby. Hey, I got one coming in. All right. Yeah, let's go, Bill. Oh my God, no! Anybody but him on offense right now. Clear through. Yeah! Let's go! I see you, Benson. Woo! Good work, baby. Good work. I'll come to you. Good work, Chris. Let's go. Let's go. Hey man, give me a fucking hug, man.
How you doing, dude?
Nice seeing
Long
you.
time no see.
Yeah, it's been a little bit. You doing all right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I like it. Hey, yeah, I'll talk to you
Nate
after.
was playing last week. He bumped his ankle out here.
You're what?
Nate was playing our team last week.
I know. Yeah. What? He sprained his ankle or something? Poor guy. Yeah, I'll talk to you after. That's what I'm talking about.
Good shit, bro.
Hey, good work. Good work. Good work.
Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about.
1, 2, 3.
Great American. America. Hell of a game, Keep. Hell of a game.
You too, brother.
Good work out there. Hey, good game, guys. Okay, hell of a game out there. Good game. Good game, guys. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game, James. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Hey, nice seeing you out there. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game.